These templates will give us a huge jumpstart on designing our website. You can scroll through the homepage here and find a template that you like, or you can use these category drop-downs here at the top to find a specific template that you're looking for. You'll also notice that some templates have this premium tag. That indicates that this template is not free. But if you see any template without that premium tag, it's completely free to use. So go ahead and find a template that you like. I'll be going with the outdoor adventure template here. So I'll click on it to select it. And then we have some initial customization options here on the left-hand side. First, you can upload your website logo. And if you don't have one yet, then don't worry, you can always add it later on. Next, you can choose a font pairing. You can select different fonts to see how they look. And I think I'll go with this font here. And then you can customize your color palette. I think I'll go with this option here. And once you're done making changes, click on Continue. Next, you'll see this page that asks if you want any extra features. You can select anything that you want here, or scroll down and click on Skip this step. Then you'll see this confirmation page appear. You can choose if you want to enter your personal information. If not, just scroll down, click on I understand, let's go, then click on Submit and build my website. Now this is going to install everything for your website, and it can take a few moments to complete. Once it's done, you'll get this cool confetti animation here. To view your website, click on View Your Website. And here it is. The outdoor adventure template is fully loaded onto our website. You can see that everything here already looks really clean and professional, and this will give us a great starting point to customize our website and get it to look exactly how you want.